Hi everyone, welcome to Smita Data Mining channel. Today my video is about k-mean clustering algorithm. We have to look at the question. Apply k-mean clustering to the following datasets for two clusters. Tabulate all the assignments. Here this is a table containing number 1, 2, 3 up to 6 and x and y coordinates. X coordinates are 185, 170, 168, 179, 182, 188. Y coordinates are 72, 56, 60, 68, 72, 77. Given k is equal to 2. We have to find the solution. Here first we have to take the cluster k1, k2, then initial centroids x, y, that is 185, 72 and 170, 56. The next is calculate Euclidean distance using the given equations. So what is the formula for Euclidean distance? Distance xy for coordinates between xy and AB can be found out by the formula is equal to root of x minus a the whole square plus x minus b the whole square. Then calculate Euclidean distance using the given equation. Distance from cluster 1, that is 185, 72. Then that is equal to root of 185 minus 185 the whole square plus 72 minus 72 the whole square, that is equal to 0. Then you have to find distance from cluster 2. That is cluster 2 is 170, 56. So we have to find the distance, that is root of 170 minus 185 the whole square plus 56 minus 72 the whole square. We get the value 21.93. Then next is distance from cluster 1, 185, 72. So it can be found out root of 185 minus 170 the whole square plus 72 minus 56 the whole square, that we get 21.93. Then distance from cluster 2, 170, 56 can be found out is equal to root of 170 minus 170 the whole square plus 56 minus 56 the whole square, that is equal to 0. This is the cluster. We have to calculate the table. Cluster is k1, k2. Then centroid xy, the assignment is given, which cluster it should be. For k1 cluster, we can see that it is given as cluster assignment 1 is given, and k2 we can see the distance whichever is less, that is it is in cluster 2 it is less, so it is given to assignment 2 is given. Then next we have to take another pairs. Calculate Euclidean distance for the next data set 168, 60. So distance from cluster 1 should be calculated. The same process is repeated. Okay. So 185, 72. The root of 168 minus 185 the whole square plus 60 minus 72 the whole square, that is equal to 20.808. Then distance from cluster 2 is given 170, 56. Then 168 minus 170 the whole square plus 60 minus 56 the whole square, that we get is equal to 4.472. For the data set 168, 60, the cluster 1 Euclidean distance for cluster 1 is 20.808 and cluster 2 is 4.472. Whichever is less, it is cluster 2. So assignment to cluster 2 is given for that data set. And update the cluster centroid. We have to update the cluster centroid k2. It can be calculated by the formula. K1 is 185, 72 and k2 is 170 plus 168 by 2, that is equal to 169. Y is 60 plus 56 by 2, that is equal to 58. Calculate Euclidean distance from the next data set 179, 68. So distance from cluster 1, 185, 72 is equal to 179 minus 185 the whole square plus 68 minus 72 the whole square, that is equal to 7.2 we get. Distance from cluster 2 we have to find, that is 169, 58, that is equal to 179 minus 169 the whole square plus 68 minus 58 the whole square, that is equal to 14.142 we get. Then we have to look the data set 179, 68. The our cluster distance, Euclidean distance from cluster 1 is 7.2 and for cluster 2 it is 14.14. The minimum is for cluster 1. So we give the data to cluster 1. So assignment 1 is given. Then again update the cluster centroid. It can be calculated by k1 is 185 plus 179 by 2, that is 182, and k2 is 169 And for K1, y is 72 plus 68 by 2 is equal to 70. Then K2 is 58. Then calculate Euclidean distance from next data set 180 to 72. Distance from cluster 1 is 180 to 70 is equal to root of 182 minus 182 the whole square plus 72 minus 70 the whole square, that is equal to 2. Then distance from cluster 2 is we have to calculate for 169 58, that is 182 minus root of 182 minus 169 the whole square plus 72 minus 52 the whole square, that is equal to 19.1. For the data set 180 to 72, from Euclidean distance for cluster 1 is 2 and cluster 2 is 19.1. So we have to assign that point to cluster 1. So assignment 1 is given. Then we update the cluster centroid. For cluster K1, the x is equal to, we get 182 plus 182 plus by 2 is equal to 182. Then 70 plus 72 by 2 is equal to 71. For K2, it is 169 and 58. Calculate the Euclidean distance for the next data set 188, 77. Distance from cluster 1, 182, 71 is equal to root of 188 minus 182 the whole square plus 77 minus 71 the whole square, that we get 0.4852. The distance from cluster 2 we get 169 58, that is root of 188 minus 169 the whole square plus 77 minus 58 the whole square, that is equal to 26.87. For the data set 188 77, for the cluster 1 we get distance 8.48 and cluster 2 it is 27.6.87, whichever is less cluster 1. So assignment 1 is given. Then we update the cluster centroid. Cluster K1 is equal to 182 plus 188 by 2 is equal to 185 and 71 plus 77 by 2 is equal to 74. For K2 it is 169 and for y it is given as 58. Then final assignment we get as 185 72, assignment 1 for 170 56 it is 2, 168 60, the cluster 2 is given, 179 68 1, 182 72 1, 188 77 1. So hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, you subscribe. If you have any doubt, put comments. I will reply. I will come with the next video. Till then, bye.